So the plan today is to go from this to this. Hello and welcome back to another video on Friends Car Repair Corner. So today, as it says in the thumbnail, I'm going to be attempting to restore the headlights on the Mercedes C180K. So I haven't got the full restore kit. I have previously bought them. I think I found the cutting compound for it. I've got a drill attachment that I can put on as well. And I got some sandpaper, which is pretty much all that I need. The only thing I will need at the end is to get like a UV protection for the headlights once I've actually restored them, because otherwise they'll go yellow again. So let's get to the car and see what we can do about these headlights. Okay, so here's what the headlights look like currently at the moment. So rather quite yellow. That's what I'm hoping to bring up. So I'm going to do this one first, and then we can kind of, compare it to that one, and then, go from there. Right, okay, so what I've got is a drill with an attachment on that's, one of these like foamy ones, and then I've just stuck some of this 2500 grit paper on top, so it's a wet and dry. So that's why I've got the water bottle, so that I can, if it works, actually spray some water on there, and then start sanding off this first top dirty layer. I would mark off all of this, but I'd advise that for you guys, but I'm not going to. Right, now we'll try some cutting compound onto it, like polishing paste. Okay, so I've changed over my mop head. This is then the polishing paste, so this should then polish it out now that I've kind of roughed it up with this sandpaper. This is the bit that you want to mask off, because this could take off paint. Don't think this is going to be usable, to be honest. There we go, got a bit on there like that. Alright, now to get a cloth. Right, well, from 5 minutes work, what do you reckon? It's definitely a difference, isn't there? Definitely lighter. So maybe the same process again, and bring it out a bit more. So let's get back on that sandpaper. Right, for the next bit, I think I'm going to use a different sponge. I'm going to use this one, and I'm going to use, instead of this one that I had for my restore that, I don't know, I might have had this for like a year or two, it might have gone out of date. Can't see a date on it. But I'm going to use some T-cut. It's like a cutting compound that removes scratches and stuff. So going to try this then, and put that on the headlights now. That went a lot better. What do we think of that then? Definitely noticeable, isn't it? Makes it look so much nicer now that with the silver. Right. Onto this one now. Okay, there we go. Some nice, clean headlights. I call that a win. Right, okay, so that's where we'll leave the video today. So what else have I got planned? So I need to do a service on this, so that will probably be one of the next videos. I also have the rear discs and pads on order, so they should be here in about a few days' time. So I'm going to be doing that. And then MOT and service time, really. And then, yeah, get this car up and running and either, yeah, start using it so I can then, I don't know, do some sort of converting that into like a camper, car camper. Or, yeah, as I say, I will then sell it and make some profit. And I can, as I say, buy myself like an Ugga Dugga and a car jack and some other stuff for the channel. So, yeah, if you aren't unsubscribed, then please do subscribe to the channel. It helps me out massively. And if you have enjoyed the video, then please do hit that little like button as well. All right, see you in the next one. Bye.